So guys, for today's forecast, we'll be bringing sunshine. Littlefoot Big Strides. What's he gonna do today? What he does every day is Littlefoot Big Strides. Another episode of Littlefoot Big Strides. And here to talk with you is my guest, my son. So what we'll be doing today?
This is the car.
Hello.
Go ahead. Okay, one more time.
Okay. Oh, you're cutting the instructions.
No.
Oh, I thought that was...
Oh shoot, you're right.
Man.
I cut off the part that shows all the tools and the pieces. That's funny. Alright, so it came with stickers. That's what that's for. Start your engines. Over 80,000 parts in a car that we're about to build. Not this one, because this is obviously just a look kit. And your very own Racecar building a badge sticker. A little souvenir that you get to keep. So, let's speak.
Instructions. I told you I knew what was going on.
Good thing we don't need.
Huh?
Alright, so these are all the nails short in there. You're gonna need the short ones for the tires. And this is the driver's head.
You don't take this off, this sticker.
Yeah, take that off. Whoa. So this is part of the
Okay,
spoiler.
this.
This is up front.
This is garbage.
This is going in front. Alright, so right here, step one shows us to attach this piece. See where the wood is matching here. So we're going to basically do this.
So we're supposed to open the nails here?
It's already pre-drilled. So these nails right here. Now open. And we're going to use. It says attach the bumper to the body using the short nails. So 2 short nails. Like this. Take this here, line it up. We got to make this both go through these holes here. So in order to do it though, we got to hammer it in.
Smashing time. Okay, go.
Not my finger. Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Hot, very good. Hammer it.
Okay, you go the hard way now. I put the nail through here. It's a nail. I'm a nail.
I might have to put on a hardtop counter.
Okay.
It already is rubber.
Oh, okay.
So I might have to like bang it.
Alright, y'all, this is oh.
A little worse.
Now, the thing about that is, got it in there, right?
Yep.
That was the bottom. Alright.
Yep.
So, now, this part is supposed to go up top. But before we put this, that goes on the back. The head.
On the head?
Yeah, this is the driver's head. But it has to use the long screw. Goes on the back.
You talking about this one?
One long one. One long one. Yep, down right there. This one goes underneath in this hole and pop right there. They already drilled it, but now I gotta be able to do what I did over there. You wanna try it?
Huh?
I don't think I should be.
We're still on here. This is a special one. Okay? 1, 2. Now, sensible.
Yeah. So that.
I think this is.
Here. See this. That way you can understand where it goes. You got one bumper piece and you got 3 car stickers. Alright. Look at.
Oh, yeah, that.
Alright, that's your.
Okay, don't tell me.
So that piece goes on the side. But you gotta make sure that's on the right side. So you want this to be right here. The flame to be on the back part. So this is upside down and it should be facing this way when you put it on the side. Go ahead. You're gonna do it just like that. You tuck in this part as close as you can to this part. See how I'm lining it up to the back, but not all the way? You're gonna do that right there. And then when you put it on, you're gonna straighten it out and flatten it out to make sure that it sticks just like that. So now you're going to do that on this side. Make sure the flame is on the back end. Make sure that you line it up to the back of it. Flatten it out. You got this part sticking up. Flatten out that back part. Alright, so next part. You doing the wheels? Alright, so you do one side, I'll do the other.
Okay.
Oh, you rip, yeah, just peel that. Coming out good, right?
Got them. Okay.
Now,
Now we're doing this.
back part, that is. Just want to let y'all know this was a good project compared to what it's supposed to look like. This
That's what it's supposed to look like.
is what it is. Not bad, right? Only spent $10 just to try something different. So, remember, little goes a long way. That little foot, big stride. Cut. He's slandering my name. He's slandering my name.
Oh, no, you're not.
You drooling on my hand? Get off me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You try.
Excuse me.